At least 33 people were killed and 28 others injured in a stampede in Patna soon after the Dussehra celebrations on Friday. Officials say there are 20 women and 11 children among the dead. The incident occurred in a narrow alley outside the landmark Gandhi Maidan in Patna as people were returning home after witnessing the Dussehra celebrations. Eyewitnesses say the stampede started after some people spread a rumor that an electrical wire had snapped and fallen off. The administration, however, has not confirmed this. Questions are now being asked about the lapses that may have led to the tragedy. Could the incident have been caused by the blocked routes and absence of lights at the exit gates? The Union Home Ministry has asked the Bihar government for a report on the incident. A probe has been ordered. So far, 27 bodies have been identified. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a compensation of 2 lakh rupees each for the families of those who died and 50,000 rupees for the critically injured.
देखिए, घटना दुखदपूर्ण है, दुखदायी है, लेकिन एक्सीडेंटल है। अफवाह किसी ने फैलाया और एक से एक भगदंगल मच गए, नीचे गिर गए लोग, उसी पर गिरते चले गए। वो घटना हुई, उसके बाद यहाँ पर आए हैं, सबका इलाज ठीक हो रहा है, आउट ऑफ डेंजर हैं। मरने वाले लोग हैं, उनको 3 लाख रुपया हम लोग दे रहे हैं, कल मिल जाएगा। जो घायल हैं उनको 25,000 रुपया दे रहे हैं। इस तरह से हम लोग व्यवस्था सरकार का होना चाहिए, वो व्यवस्था हम लोग कर रहे हैं।
भगदड़ लौटती भीड़ में, निकलती भीड़ में किसी कारण से भगदड़ मची और जिसमें बहुत दुख के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है कि अभी तक के सूचना के मुताबिक 32 लोगों की मौत हो चुकी है। कि अभी तो जब जांच टीम सरकार ने जांच दल बनाई है, उच्च स्तरीय उच्च पदाधिकारियों के जांच टीम बनाई है, तो वो जांच करके तुरंत जल्द से जल्द रिपोर्ट देंगे, उसके बाद ही न किसकी चूक थी।
1-2 को छोड़कर बाकी सभी की हालत अभी खतरे से बाहर है और घायलों की स्थिति में निरंतर सुधार हो रहा है। घायलों की सूची हम लोगों ने प्रकाशित की है और घायलों का नाम उनके पता के साथ बाहर लिस्ट पर साटा जा रहा है ताकि परिजनों को मालूम चल सके कौन कौन लोग घायल हैं।
जो इन लोगों को शिनाख्त करने के बाद, क्योंकि लोगों को ये है बेचैनी कि उनका कौन से व्यक्ति है, उनके रिलेटिव हैं कि नहीं अंदर, तो एक एक करके हम लोग शिनाख्त करवा रहे हैं। जहां तक हमने घायल व्यक्तियों से पूछताछ की है, वहां पे जो बात हुई है, तो उन्होंने बताया कि क्राउड काफी ज्यादा थी, पीछे से धक्का मुक्की हुई और धक्के के कारण कुछ लोग गिर गए और इतना प्रेशर था पीछे से कि लोग आगे बढ़ गए। फिर भी ये पूरा जांच का विषय है, अभी किसी भी हालत में किसी भी कंक्लूजन पे पहुंचना संभव नहीं है, क्योंकि इसकी डिटेल इंक्वायरी की जानी है।
We're at the Shiv Sagar Ram Gulam Chowk, right outside Patna's Gandhi Maidan. This is the spot where the tragedy of a stampede has taken place overnight. Yesterday night, let me just ask Habib, my camera person, to walk with me towards the other side to try and show you the exact spot where the incident happened. In fact, if Habib can just show you, there are still a lot of remnants of the tragedy that has happened yesterday. All of these slippers lying around here still, a testimony to the kind of gruesome incident that's happened over here. 33 people we believe are dead right now. Another dozen or more could be injured. Even right now, there's a huge crowd over here that's collected to look at the scene over here. Many questions being raised about why the tragedy actually happened. One of them being these gates, perhaps. If Habib can just show you these gates. We are being told that yesterday when people were exiting out of this Maidan, these gates were not fully open. They were closed, at least partially closed. That led to a situation where the crowd choked here. The other point being that even inside there was not enough police deployment. You see a lot of police here in your frame right now, but yesterday we believe there wasn't enough police deployment. And one more problem that seems to have been present yesterday at Gandhi Maidan were these lights. In your frame, we are being told that the entire Gandhi Maidan was not lighted. There were no lights in the Gandhi Maidan yesterday. And this is something that we who use the Gandhi Maidan every day know, that there are no lights. These lights don't work. In spite of the fact that the government has spent crores installing these lights don't work at all. And like I said, the gates were not open. The gates were partially shut. And this is the problem when you have thousands of people exiting an area. If you don't have these gates open, there's going to be a problem. If you don't have police deployment, there's going to be a problem. There are conflicting reports as to why this incident started. Some are saying there could have been rumors. Some are saying that the police could have played a part. That's of course not confirmed. There is going to be an inquiry. But what cannot be denied is that there seems to have been certain laxities on part of the district administration that seems to have led to a situation where these people had no outlet, and when they managed to get outside, they got caught in a stampede. That seems to have been the situation at the moment in Gandhi Maidan. Still, you have many people coming here to look at where this incident happened.